Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can seriously boost the performance of your Synology NAS. We're looking at the OWC 64GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC unbuffered SATA memory kit, specifically designed for models like the DS1821 Plus, DS2422 Plus, and DS3622XS Plus. For those unfamiliar, ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is a big deal for NAS devices. It can detect and correct common kinds of internal data corruption. For a device constantly handling and storing your precious files, this added layer of data integrity is invaluable. This OWC kit comes with two 32GB modules, totaling 64GB. The modules are DDR4 2666, which is the speed that these Synology NAS units support. They are PC4-21300, CL19, 2RX8, 260 pin, and operate at a low voltage of 1.2 V, all crucial specs for compatibility and efficient operation. The installation process is straightforward. Simply power down your Synology NAS, open it up, locate the SODIMM slots, and insert the OWC modules. Make sure they click in properly. Then, power back on. The NAS should recognize the new memory automatically. But does it make a difference? Absolutely. With 64GB of RAM, the NAS can handle significantly more concurrent tasks, larger datasets, and more demanding applications. If you're running virtual machines, Docker containers, or using your NAS for heavy multimedia tasks, this upgrade is a game changer. The responsiveness of the Synology interface improves noticeably, and file transfers become snappier. The OWC memory kit is a premium product, and the price reflects that. However, the peace of mind that comes with ECC memory and the tangible performance gains make it a worthwhile investment, especially if you rely heavily on your Synology NAS for critical tasks. OWC has a solid reputation for producing high-quality memory products, and this kit is no exception. It's specifically designed and tested for compatibility with these Synology models, so you can be confident that it will work seamlessly. If you're looking to maximize the performance and reliability of your Synology DS1821 Plus, DS2422 Plus, or DS3622XS Plus, the OWC 64GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit is an excellent choice. It's easy to install, provides a significant performance boost, and offers the added benefit of ECC error correction.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.